Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're doing an honest review of Odoo's website builder. Is it the right choice for your business website? Let's find out. First, what is Odoo Website Builder? For those unfamiliar, Odoo's Website Builder is a drag and drop tool that allows businesses to create and manage websites without needing coding skills. It integrates seamlessly with other Odoo apps like e-commerce, CRM, and marketing. But does it really deliver? Let's dive in. Odoo let the AI suggest your website layout and content based on your industry. So you can set your business, add your logo, select additional features, and you can choose your favorite theme. That's already it. And then your site is created. Anyone can do it. One of the biggest advantages of Odoo's website builder is its user-friendly drag and drop interface. Even beginners can build professional looking websites quickly. So you can drag and drop building blocks. If you want to make precise adjustments to the layout, you can add filters and effects to pictures. You can also animate an element. Everything here is provided by Odoo. Do all that and more directly on the page. They also have seamless integration with Odoo apps. So if you're already using Odoo for business management, the website builder integrates smoothly with CRM, e-commerce, invoicing, help desk, blogs, appointment, recruitment, live chat, and more. They also have built-in SEO and marketing tools. Odoo includes built-in SEO optimization tools, analytics, and marketing automation features, making it easier to grow your online presence. They also have mobile responsive design. Websites created with Odoo automatically adjust to different screen sizes, ensuring a good user experience on desktops, tablets, and smartphones. Your website and its hosting are free forever without ads or limits with Odoo's one app free plan. So all themes are available also in standard out of the box for free and no need to buy external themes. For the free domain name, they offer a free custom domain name to all Odoo online databases for 1 year. For one app, unlimited users, Odoo Online is for free. If you go with the monthly, you will be paying $9.10 per user per month. That is for the standard plan, and all apps in Odoo Online are available. But if you want to go beyond the standard, you can choose the custom plan, which is $13.60 per user per month, and then it offers all Odoo Online apps, Odoo Online, Odoo Studio, multi-company, and external API. So if you are running business, I highly recommend customs if you need more features. For the yearly one, you will have it cheaper. So imagine from standard plan of $9, it will become $7. And for the custom, from $13, it will become $10. So you can get a discount if you would choose to pay it annually or yearly. On the other hand, while the drag and drop interface is easy to use, it's not as flexible as other website builders like WordPress or Webflow when it comes to deep customizations. Some users report that Odoo's website builder can be slower compared to dedicated website platforms, especially for larger websites. As for the learning curve for advanced features, basic website building is simple, but if you want advanced customizations, you need to understand Odoo's framework or hire a developer. They also have fewer third-party integrations. Unlike platforms like Shopify or WordPress, Odoo has fewer third-party integrations available, which may limit functionality. This is also an example of the website that I have created on Odoo. It's more of your preference because before we arrive to this one, there will be a series of questions to ask. What do you use Odoo for? Who is Odoo's website builder best for? Now, if you're an existing Odoo user looking for a simple integrated solution to build a business website, it's a great option. However, if you need deep design flexibility and extensive third-party integrations, you may want to consider other website builders as well. Overall, Odoo's website builder is a solid choice for businesses already using Odoo, offering ease of use and seamless integration. However, it may not be the best option for those who need extensive customization and high-performance websites. And that's my honest review of Odoo's website builder. Have you used it before? Share your experiences in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. See you next time.